Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use the snipping tool to capture screenshots. To open the snipping tool, simply type snipping tool into the search bar located on the bottom left corner of your Windows desktop. Click on the snipping tool app that appears in the search results. The snipping tool window will open. Click on New to start capturing a screenshot. Click and drag your mouse to select the area of the screen you want to capture. Release the mouse button and your screenshot will appear in the snipping tool window. You can use the various options like pen and highlighter to annotate or mark up your screenshot. Once you're happy with your screenshot, click on File and then Save As to save it to your preferred location. You will then close the snipping tool window. And that's it! You have successfully captured a screenshot on your desktop using the Snipping Tool application in Windows. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this tutorial helped you master the Snipping Tool for capturing screenshots. Now you can easily share images or capture important information on your screen. Once again, thank you for watching how to use the Snipping Tool to capture screenshots. I'll see you on my next video. Happy capturing!